Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications of our latest videos. Let's go.
Dear children, today's story is of a brave deer. Deep in a green and lively jungle lived a small deer named Chiku. Chiku was the youngest in his herd, with soft brown fur and bright, curious eyes. Unlike the others, he was not very fast, nor very strong. But what made Chiku special was his bravery and kind heart. Chiku always roamed around the jungle, exploring new things. Sometimes he watched colorful birds, and other times he saw fish leaping in the river by the bank. His fellow deer often said to him, Chiku, you are small, be careful. Danger lurks everywhere in the jungle. Chiku would smile and reply, Yes, I may be small, but being afraid is not my habit. One afternoon, the whole herd went to the riverside to drink water. Suddenly, from behind the trees, the king of the jungle, the lion, leapt out with a roar. His thunderous growl shook the entire forest. All the animals began to run. The herd of deer scattered in every direction. Chiku's heart was pounding fast, but then his eyes fell upon a little rabbit trapped in thorny bushes. The rabbit was trembling in fear. All the animals were busy saving themselves, but Chiku stopped. He thought, if I also run away, this poor rabbit will surely become the lion's prey. Taking a deep breath, he chose to help. With all his courage, Chiku gone to Rabbit, gently pulled away the thorny branches with his tiny antlers and freed the rabbit. Run! Chiku said to the rabbit. The rabbit quickly hopped away, but now the lion had come very close. His eyes were red with anger, and he was moving straight towards Chiku. Chiku knew that perhaps he might not survive, yet he felt proud that he had saved the rabbit. At that moment, the big animals of the jungle saw a little deer standing fearlessly in front of the lion. Everyone was astonished. The lion, too, paused for a moment. In Chiku's eyes, he saw not fear but courage. Seeing this, the lion smiled and said, Little dear, the bravery with which you helped your friend is truly admirable. Today, I will spare you and your friends. Saying this, the lion turned back and walked. All the animals cheered with joy. The rabbit hopped to Chiku and said, Thank you, Chiku. If you were not there today, I would not be alive. From that day on, none of the animals in the jungle considered Chiku small or weak. He became a symbol of courage for everyone. Chiku taught them all that true strength doesn't lie in the body, but in the courage and kindness of the heart. Thank you.
If you like the story, please like and subscribe to our channel by pressing the bell icon. Thank you.